What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to N Natoma the Realtor. In today's episode, I am taking you into 1935 North Natoma. We're on the north side of Chicago. This property is 4 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, $489,900. I will take you into the yard, the basement, and the second floor. So without further ado, let's get this home tour started. Okay, so first off, let's take a look at the block, okay? Here's the house next door. I believe they are working on that. And you can tell because they have this here. But yeah, there is definitely construction work going on around here. And this is what the block looks like. This is what the house looks like. So 1935 North Natoma, as I mentioned earlier, $489,900, 4 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms. Let's go and take a look, see what's what. Here we go. So right when you walk in, you are hit with this sensor light, okay? That light turned on the minute I walked in, which is cool. And let's open up this door here, okay? And floors look good. Okay, hardwood floors look good. And then we have, they're very shiny. I feel like I need to take my shoes off. I'm taking my shoes off, everybody, because I'm trying to be respectful of the house. Here we go. So I'll take a walk back. This is what the living room looks like. I will say this is a rather large living room. Nice and big. We have can lighting up top. I do like the glass blocks up there. TV's gonna go in the middle, of course, but these windows here, really nice natural sunlight. You can see what's going on outside. I love it. So now we turn around. This is what the profile looks like of the living room. I really do like the color of the hardwood floors, and I like the fact that the walls in here are white. I definitely do like that. Normally, you see the old gray, but that's on its way out. This is a lot more of a cleaner look. Okay, the windows in the property look nice. They look good. And then right here in the middle, we have our stairs to go to the second floor. And I bet that's where the other 2 bedrooms are, but we'll see. I actually haven't been upstairs. I have only been on the first floor, came in here, turned on all the lights and stuff, but plenty of lights, and they're LED lights. The first thing we'll do is we'll go into this bedroom. The bedroom is large, you guys. It's a good size. I would say any size bed, queen, king, you'll be okay. If you put like a full in here, you'll have a lot of room for yourself. A lot of room, okay? But it is a good sized room. We do have vents in here. Eager to see if whether or not there is a condenser outside, okay? Yeah, I haven't seen this in a long time, these accordion doors, but there you go. Got an accordion door. Doorknobs look good. Looks like you put not a key, but you can look at, there's a locking. Yeah, you can lock the door from the inside, which is different, right? Maybe the adults want their privacy, right? Now here's bedroom number 2. Bedroom number 2, you can basically put in a twin size bed. I would put a twin size. I wouldn't go any larger, especially because of the way that this is laid out. I'm assuming you would slide the head of the bed in here. And then you have an outlet right there. Maybe you hang a TV on the top of that, so at night while you're watching TV, you can look at that. There is this overhead space here, I guess for storage. Okay, I'm gonna turn this way, and again, we have another little accordion door closet. Okay, LED light. That light again is on a sensor. And then you have your outlet, you have your, what is that, your vent. Cool, all right. Let's take a look at the bathroom. Here is the bathroom. So LED light system. Those are nice. Those are always nice fixtures. I love seeing those. And then I've seen that before too. It looks good. The sink looks good. We have Huron. They're called Huron. Yeah, faucets. Nice, right? The water's wet, everybody. Okay, here is to turn on your tub, your shower and your tub. That's nice. Nice size, okay? And there's little details in here. I know I was talking to the realtor. The realtor's like, yeah, we still have to go out there and clean and all that, but I told them, I'm like, please let me do the video. They're like, hey, Antonio, go ahead and do the video. So I'm here doing it. Okay, we have music. Okay, we have a fan. Oh, we have light. We have natural light, right? Different lights. So that's cool. I'm gonna turn off the fan here. You can turn off the lights. That's pretty cool. So, first things first. Oh, we have to go in the kitchen. Haven't gone in the kitchen. So, for those that have the keen eye, this is a dining room area. Okay, over there you have a nice living space, which is cool. One thing that I kind of passed up, I'm going to show you guys now, is you look, they have a mail slot right there. So you could drop your mail in there, and then it drops on the floor. You pick up your mail or my shoes. That's cool. Okay, this is the profile of the kitchen. Let's take a look. Frigidaire. Okay, I'm assuming they have to come in here and they have to finish getting that in. And again, guys, be easy on this one because they still have to come out and finish a couple of things. So that's one of them. But I'm sure this will all be cleaned up and good to go. It looks nice already, the way they did this. Frigidaire appliances, that looks good. Frigidaire, what is that? Microwave, of course. Let's take a look. Okay, fancy. Yeah, I like the space over here because you're cooking here. You got this here, dishes, space over there, but then over here is probably where you're going to like make your sandwiches and whatnot. And we have cabinet space there. This light fixture looks good. Let's take a look. Yep, good water pressure. Stopper. Oh, that's cool. Stop the water. All right, and now we are going to go, let's see. Oh, there's two stairways. There's a stairway this way, a basement stairway there. And then over here, we have the stairs to go up. So we will go this way. I almost forgot. I got to show you guys, before we go upstairs or downstairs, I'm going to show you guys the yard really quick. So we're going to go here. Unlock the door there. Don't fall backwards. And here is the yard. There you go. It's got a condenser over there in the corner for the AC, which is awesome. A little planter over there so you can plant your own vegetables and whatnot. And then, yeah, nice garage. Oh, there is a sewer here for access to your sewer line, which is fantastic. You got a nice fence going around along all the property. And then it looks like the neighbors have, wow, the neighbors have another unit back here that probably are renting out. And I do think that they're currently working on this, which is why we saw all that stuff out in the front earlier. So interesting, solar panels on that place over there. So let's see. We will go upstairs. We're going upstairs now. So, oh. Upstairs. A lot of stairs. Steep. Okay. All right, so let's take a look. Going this way, we have, looks like a bedroom over there. Over here are the stairs that we saw earlier. Okay. So, a space to put something here, right, with an outlet. Now, okay, cool. So, we have a whole nother bathroom with a light. Everything's gold in here, gold accents, which is cool. Okay, there you go. And guys, that happens because they just did the work. No one's been up here and there's air trapped in the line. So turning it on for the first time, it'll kick up like that. Now the next time I do it, we're good. Same thing over here. That's the cold water line. There you go. So the next time I do it, we're good to go. All right. But that's a nice tub. I like the tile on the floor. Good job overall. I do like. Okay. So now we're gonna go into this room over here. Okay, they do have these windows here. All right. Little closet. Oh. With a sensor on it, nice. Okay, twin size bed comes in here easily. maybe throw one of the kids up here or whoever, right? And then over here, looks like the larger, obviously, larger of the rooms. Any size bed in here. This is actually a nice size room, everybody. Really nice size room. Okay, a lot of space. You got a nook over there for your books. And then the outside overlooking the front. That's always nice, okay? I do like the tree there. The tree provides shade, right? But this is good. Nice laminate floors. Pretty cool. So we are now going to head to the basement, as I promised, and that'll turn off on its own because that's on a sensor, okay? And you know what? I want to go down these stairs. So we will go down these stairs. Guys, if you haven't taken the time yet to subscribe and like the video, please do so. I'm an expert in home sales. I do a lot of social media. So if you have a house that you want to sell so that you can upgrade and buy another, I specialize in that as well. It's a balance, believe it or not. It's a huge balancing act. If you want to find out about getting pre-approved before you sell, I have plenty of people that I can introduce you to. And if you're a first-time home buyer, I'd love to help you guys out. So again, my first time in the basement. So turning on all this. We have a laundry room back here. And like I said before, they're gonna come in here and clean this stuff out before they start showing. I think they're gonna start showing tomorrow, I believe. So they'll be here in the morning. But that's nice. Come on over here. Just a big wide open space basement. So you can, you know, have like a family room down here. It's nice. I will walk the basement. That looks good. Okay, and then over here, right when I walked in, I passed up what seems to be the mechanical. Oh yeah, check that out. It's another sensor. So the mechanical room here. We have our boiler and our furnace over here. And then back here we have, you know, place to probably put. I can imagine someone's gonna put like a wooden table there with a lathe on it, with keys, with a bunch of hanging masonry jars with nails on it. I mean, that's what it looks like to me, right? So pretty cool. And then over here we have another room. Oh, there's a bathroom. We'll end with the bathroom, right? But I'll come over here, turn on the light, water line over here, and they do a nice job with these doors covering it. But that switch turns on that light, and then it's over here, right? Sensors over here. You have your gas meter, so you can do a gas meter reading. Okay, nice. So it's a bedroom space, and then they have a door here. You can see it from over there and over here, which is nice. Whoever stays down here is going to have their own little thing going on, right? But yeah, here's the shower. Okay, that's nice. So there's another shower down here, as promised, right? As promised. And then over here we have our sink. I'm going to do this here. The water is wet. There is our toilet, and there's me. Guys, if you want to see more videos, you can click on this side to get more, like this. You can click on this over here to see more houses in Chicago. Click over here. I think you'll see the video that's the best for you. And then if you click on the circle in the middle, you will subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for subscribing and watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.